Hello friends, welcome back to my talks. So again to another episode of motivational. Okay, so as we begin, thank you all for showing your love to all the videos, educational as well as motivational. Let me begin with my this today's topic. Okay, so today it's really a very important one which you all would love to watch. Okay, and it's love, Love, love. Okay, so friends, what do you feel? What is love actually? Okay, it has different meanings for different people. Okay, people may define that when the heart starts beating faster, okay, seeing somebody or seeing something, that is love. Okay, if you dream of something and it gets fulfilled, okay, and you are mad after it, that is what is love. If you love some food, people say, I love chole bhature. Okay, so that is love. You love matar paneer, that is love. So these are the different kinds of love, okay, which is defined by different people. Okay, feelings, emotions, everything comes into that. So today I'll be talking about a different aspect of love. Actually, according to me, what is true love? Okay, and the problems which we see around the world, it all, you can say, just like a spider web, okay, it goes around this particular four-lettered word, love, और प्रेम जिसको बोलते हैं. ओके, तो समथिंग जो परम है, जो सबसे श्रेष्ठ है, जो सबसे ऊपर है, और जिसके बाद या जिससे पहले कोई चीज ही नहीं है. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट इज प्रेम एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज लव. ओके, so when I start talking, let me, with due respect to all the mothers, okay, I begin that mothers are the best of examples of love. Why? Because the children whom they give birth, okay, they are, you can say, a part of their own body. तो वो उनको अपने अंदर 9 महीने रखने के बाद जब वो डिलीवर करते हैं, तो वो उनका अपना ही अस्तित्व के रूप में वो बच्चे उनके आसपास होते हैं. तो वो जो अपने लिए सोचती है, वो अपने बच्चों के लिए सोचती है. कभी कभी अपने से ज्यादा सोचती है. अगर अपनी सेफ्टी के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो उससे भी पहले अपने बच्चों का ख्याल आता है. तो दिस इज व्हाट इज लव, द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लव. Now I move towards the other form. If I say I love somebody, I love my husband, I can't stay without him, my life will be a big zero. That goes with all the married women. Okay, so then I'm dependent upon him. If a girl says that I love a particular boy, or a boy says I love this girl, and they are madly in love with each other, and then they come to the extent that they become dependent upon each other. So that is not love, that is dependency. Okay, then you love something, you love, suppose, chole bhature, as I told you. Okay, so if I make you eat chole bhature morning, breakfast, dinner, lunch, okay, every day, so you will get bored. So that is not, that is again a habit, that is again a longingness. Okay, not love. So these are not loves what we have been thinking. Suppose I'm madly after my studies, I want to become an IAS officer, or I want to complete some of the exams. IAS, again, a little bigger goal. Okay, I want to complete, suppose, 10th board exams or 12th board exams, I want to get above 90. You get 90, you are happy for the time when the results are out. Okay, that happiness again remains for a certain duration of time. The happiness, the constancy after you achieve that particular goal remains for a certain time of period. Or you can say what time of period, जितना आपने struggle किया है उस goal को पाने के लिए, उतना duration तक वो रहेगा, वो हमेशा के लिए नहीं रहेगा. और फिर थोड़े दिन बाद एक दूसरा ड्रीम आ जाएगा आपके दिमाग में, एक दूसरा गोल आ जाएगा, और वो आपका लव हो जाएगा और आप उसके पीछे भागने लग जाओगे. तो दिस इज व्हाट, इफ यू सी अ गर्ल, you have an imagination that I want to have a life partner like this, and if you see a person, okay, there rings a bell and then say, yes, this is the person. Okay, you go along, you start, you love to spend time with the particular person. Then again, after some time, you see a better person than her, a more beautiful person than a particular person. Okay, and then your brain says, this is much better than her. So finally what? You leave the other person and you go for the second person. Okay, so now this is not love. Okay, this is your way of thinking, your feelings, your emotions, and feelings and emotions are not love. Okay, love is something which is, if I come to the point certainty, it is something which is selfless. Okay, if I love somebody and I won't, like आज के डेट में love क्या है कि वो possessiveness है. If I love you, I want you to be mine. Okay, that is not love again. If I'm in love, I'll ask the person, would you like to get married to me or whatever. Okay, if the person is ready to get married, सही है. अगर वो नहीं है तो उसकी विश है. तो दिस इज व्हाट इज लव, नॉट कि हम अपने आप को किसी के ऊपर थोपे. ओके, या उसको पॉजिटिवनेस जहां पे आती है वो लव है, या हम किसी से हम जो चाहते हैं बिकॉज आई लव यू, यू ऑल्सो हैव टू लव मी. दिस इज नॉट सर्टनली. यू हैव टू सी योर सेल्फ इन टू द अदर पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. एंड इफ यू स्टार्ट अगेन फ्रेंड्स, आई टॉक अबाउट सेल्फ लव. अगर आपको खुद से प्यार होगा तो डेफिनेटली आप सामने वाला जो भी है, अगर आप उससे प्यार करते हैं या किसी भी चीज से प्यार करते हैं तो वो आपका ही एक हिस्सा बन जाएगा. जैसे अगर हम खुद से प्यार करते हैं, हमारा हाथ, हमारा पैर, हमारी नाकें, हमारे आंख, हमारा बाल, जो भी है हमारे पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, वो उससे हम प्यार करते हैं. तो अगर हम किसी भी चीज से प्यार करते हैं और हमारे अंदर इतना सेल्फलेस है कि हमको कोई भी चीज इफेक्ट नहीं करता, सो देन आई स्टार्ट लविंग द होल पर्सन. इफ आई लव माई सेल्फ एंड इफ आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड लुक एट माई हस्बैंड, ओके, आई सी अ पार्ट ऑफ माई ओन बॉडी इन टू हिम, I'll see my reflection into him, and then definitely और कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है, I will love him, isn't it? So this we have to develop into ourselves. और ये जो प्यार आज के डेट में जो प्यार चलता है, वो नॉर्मली प्यार हम सबको नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन नॉर्मली खूब सारे डाइवोर्सेस होते हैं. तो प्यार का जो डेफिनेशन है वो बहुत संकुचित हो गया है. और ये ऐसा हो गया कि जब तक हमारी मानसिकता, जब तक हमारी थॉट्स एक जैसे हैं तो चलता है, और जहां थॉट्स डिफरेंस हुआ तो अनएक्सेप्टेबिलिटी हो जाती है, और उसके बाद फिर अलग अलग रास्ते हो जाते हैं हमारे. तो ये नहीं है. जब हम डेफिनेटली कि हम जब सामने वाले को या कोई भी चीज को, किसी को भी अगर हम पसंद करते हैं तो हमको पसंद करना चाहिए विथ कंप्लीट डेडिकेशन, और अपने आप को वहां पे इंटरफेयर नहीं करना है. I think I'm getting it clearer. Selfless has to be the perfect word. That is the perfect word. Okay. और हमको केवल अपना स्वार्थ, like selfishness, वो नहीं होना है कि because I love you, I have been doing all these things for you, you have to do. It happens many of the times that we parents expect that from the children because we send them to good schools, good colleges. So we want them to do good, okay? But that is in return that we have been doing something for them, and that is our expectation. Okay, love is like आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, जो भी नहीं है, वो उस समय जो हम उसको प्यार करते हैं वो एक्चुअल में प्यार होता है. Okay, और I feel I have spoken lots. Okay, different people, as I told you, may have different views about love, but it's really very beautiful. And once if you are in love, actual, the true love which I said, you can always, like, you can never be out of love, and there can be no stoppage to the love. You can see love everywhere, in the environment, everywhere. Okay, in your family, in the family members, in the friends, everywhere. It is not demanding something, it is what? Giving. Okay, and when you are ready to give, when you have that love in your eyes and love in your smile and love in your face, okay, you radiate positiveness, and nothing can change your thinking, nothing can bring about change in your attitude. Okay, and you can be the happiest person in the world. Okay, so this is the magical word LOV, love, okay, which has been distorted and it has been made ugly, but friends, let us again make it a beautiful one. And this is what is my opinion. Okay, if you have some other, and if your thoughts are something different, please put it down in the comment box. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Thank you very much. Okay, do give a big like and share it, and the new people do subscribe it. That is what. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.